Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about skin. Skincare is so important, whether you are a guy or a girl. It is a very important step in terms of your beauty regime, because if you have beautiful skin, then you almost don't really need any makeup. I personally think that makeup should be used to enhance your beauty, but you should also feel your best when you don't have makeup and you're not covering your natural skin. So if you guys want to see how I take care of my skin, just keep on watching. Alright, so first step is cleaning your face and getting all that gunk off your face at the end of a day. So what I use is this Prox face brush. It has multiple settings, so you can go fast, slow, and medium speed. This is great to get all the makeup off at the end of the night. It really gets everything out of your pores, because the bristles are kind of like what you use on your teeth, you're using on your face. Of course, it's much more soft and gentle, but with this, what I use is this Kiehls face wash. Looks like this. There's obviously too much light in this room, so it doesn't allow you guys to see very well. But I will list all the products that I mentioned in this video down below so that you can have an easy access to finding them. This one is called the Calendula Deep Cleansing Foaming Face Wash, and it is perfect for any skin type, especially if you have normal to oily skin. I have combination skin, so in the middle where it's the T-zone, my nose area and my forehead gets very oily, and everywhere else is actually pretty dry. I even feel like it's too dry around my mouth area. So this is great, because some products that I've used in the past, in terms of like skin soaps, they make my face feel so dry afterwards. It's almost hard to smile. Like you feel like your skin is so tight that it's very difficult to move it, and this gives a very, very balanced feeling after you wash your face, which is great. So it doesn't strip your face from all the moisture that it already has. So hand in hand, these two go together, and I always look at my brush at the end of it and I see that it's super dirty. Even though I have thought that I got all the makeup off, I hadn't. So this is a must combination. So if there is a night where you have used more makeup than usual, whether you're going to a wedding or a birthday, or it's your own birthday, some sort of a celebration that maybe makes you want to wear more makeup, I use something else prior to going to that step. So I use actually a cleansing oil. This is magic. So I put 2 pumps of that. I just work it into my fingers, and then I start to go in circular motions on my face. And honestly, it just melts your makeup off pretty much. Like that's the easiest way for me to tell you. So if you're looking for a quick way to get all your makeup just melted off your skin, I usually go in for that first before I go in with the soap. This way you ensure that all the makeup that's really stuck onto your skin gets off first with the oil, and then we go in for a second step of really cleaning your face properly. My next product that I go in after I've done those two is going in with the Bioderma, what is this? It's a makeup solution. So I grab cotton pads like this, 2 pumps of this, and I go around all the areas that I put all that makeup on, and anything else that's left over still in your pores that the soap and the face brush didn't get out, that this is gonna get it. It's literally the last step before really feeling at ease that you've gotten all that makeup off your skin. So this is great. It is very affordable. I got it from the drugstore. It's $19.90 plus tax. So yeah, very inexpensive. It doesn't have any harsh chemicals in it. And the great thing about this is that it doesn't have any alcohol in it, which is a huge plus, because a lot of skincare products actually have alcohol in it. And anything that has alcohol is actually going to help you age faster, which is something that we definitely don't want. So make sure that whatever face wash or cleanser or toner or whatever it is that you have doesn't have a large or any actually alcohol in it. Next. Alright, now we are going to get into the exfoliation world. I personally used to use a lot of sugar scrubs, which is still great, but I was overdoing it. Actually, overdoing it is an understatement. I was literally scrubbing my face every day twice sometimes, which is terrible for your skin. I have a lot of broken vessels around my nose area now due to that because I damaged my skin a little bit, but I am working on repairing it and getting it back to where it is. And that starts off with trying to stay away from sugar scrubs because they are a little bit more aggressive. So this is a liquid type of exfoliator. It is by Peter Thomas Roth. I got this from Forever 21. I got this from because Forever 21 is next to Sephora. Actually, pretty much a lot of places that I know of have a Sephora next to the Forever 21. So that's why they usually go hand in hand. But at a Sephora, it is on the pricier side, but personally for me, it's worked really well. Now, when you put it onto your fingertips, you also go in circular motions. And this is after, of course, cleaning your face properly. When you go in circular motions, you have these, I don't know what to call it. Okay, imagine if you're using an eraser on a piece of paper and you have that rolled, I don't know what you can call it. So it actually says visibly roll, lift, and sweep away dead skin cells when massaged onto skin. So this is what it's gonna do, and I really love it. Definitely recommend it for people who want to use a gentle exfoliant. Next, I have two masks that I really love. Now, my skin, because it is combination and more towards the oily side, I love mud masks or charcoal masks. So the first one that I'm going to tell you guys about is by GlamGlow. It's actually a mini version, but usually you can get them in actually a larger size. This one is the SuperMud Clearing Treatment. This is really great to use if you have clogged pores, if you have a lot of dead skin cells that are sitting on top of your skin. Just helping with congestion on your skin, this is really great for that. So once you put this on, you have to wait, I think 15 to 20 minutes or whenever it ends up drying. You just have to wash it off with warm water. It gives you a brighter complexion. It just really gets rid of all those dead skin cells that are sitting on top of your skin. And what I do notice is that right after I wash it off, my face just looks like it's glowing. All my pores end up looking much smaller, and I just kind of end up having a baby looking skin, if you know what I mean. So the next mask that I'm going to be sharing with you guys is by Kiehls, and it is called the Rare Earth Deep Pore Cleansing Mask. And it is a mud mask versus the other one that I just showed you guys was a charcoal mask. This mask is really good for people who have normal to oily skin. You usually don't want to use a mud mask if you have dry skin because your face is already stripped away from those natural oils. This actually is for people who have too much oil and they want to get rid of that. So make sure that you're not using a mud mask and instead you're using a hydrating mask if you have dry skin. So this again is supposed to clean out your pores. It gets rid of that dull looking skin and it just really clarifies and gets rid of all those dead skin cells that are sitting on top of your skin. So this is also a really good product that I swear by. Now let's go into a little bit of a hydration section. I do like using oils on my skin, even though I do have oily skin, only in my night regime, or if I want to really give myself an extra glow during the daytime, I would go in with pure vitamin E oil, which I have used this in my other video that I showed you guys how to get the extra glowy look. But this is usually something that I use more so at night. More so in the winter times because obviously your skin is much more dry during the winter season versus summer, but still, I mean, whenever I feel like it, I go in with this. So as for this little guy over here, the few good things about using vitamin E oil is that it helps cells regenerate. It does really help your skin looking younger, and it also helps treat or prevent all those fine lines. Maybe if you're getting them around your eye area, if you're getting them in the smile lines, wherever it may be, it's really good for helping you with any sort of prevention. It is also really good for scarring. So if you've maybe burnt your face with a, I don't know, curling iron at one point, or you had a zit that you popped out really bad and now you have a little mark on your face, this is really good to help with scarring or getting rid of that blemish on your face. So make sure that you have one of these guys handy dandy in your drawer always. So next, let's talk about the eye area. I am introducing my all-time favorite eye cream. I have struggled to find the perfect eye cream is that I have really sensitive eyes. So anything that I would use around my eye area would make my eyes tear, it would burn, it'd be very uncomfortable. Even products that said that they are good for sensitive skin somehow ended up really irritating my eyes. So once I found this product, and I have been using this for over 2 years, honestly, I've stuck to it like glue. I really do swear by it. Anybody who has used it has said that this is the most incredible product, and it is by Kiehls again. Yes, me and Kiehls are in a relationship. We are in an open relationship, but we're tight. So this is called the Creamy Eye Treatment with Avocado. If you use this under your makeup, you are going to notice a huge difference. It gives your under eye area so much hydration, but not too much that it makes your makeup just slide all over the place. It's just a really nice amount of moisture to help your makeup look very seamless and smooth, but you know, still giving your under eyes the moisture that they need. So this is a definite must for anybody and everybody. So go get yourself one. Next, we are going to talk about my #1 favorite product, which is my face cream. I hyped that up so much, and then at the end of it I was like, my face cream. This is gold in a bottle. Let me tell you a little bit of a quick history before I get into talking about this product. This product is by Zoe Skin Health, and it is the Daily Power Defense. Now let me tell you a little history about my skin so that we can understand why this is such a golden product. I have pretty much tried everything and anything out there to find the right product for my face, but I have failed miserably, and I have spent a beep amount of money on a bunch of different products, and pretty much I start using them and then they don't work for me and I'm just leaving them hanging. So I was very hesitant to put any more money into my skin regime, and I was trying to whip up something for myself and make it a natural thing, but still I wasn't happy with that either. So I was at the Vanity Lab seeing Dr. Jalali, and once I was complaining about my skin and we were just getting into the conversation of it, he recommended that I get this product. And at the beginning, I personally was very hesitant because I had tried so many different things and then just fell flat on my face every single time. I didn't want to put any more money, and when it comes to my skincare, I don't mind spending. Now, doesn't mean that a product that is cheap isn't good. All I'm saying is that I was willing to pay whatever it took to get the best product out there for my skin, because I personally think it's good to invest in your skincare, because it's the first layer that you put onto your skin, and it's the barrier between the makeup and your skin. So you want to put the best products on your face that have the most amount of nutrients and, you know, are going to help your skin staying really young. So when he did recommend me this product, I knew it was going to cost me an arm and a leg, because obviously the Vanity Lab is a little bit bougie, and not that there's anything wrong with that, but this was my last attempt at trying to find the love of my life. And you know what? It was a match made in heaven, and I'm going to be very loyal to this product. This product has a lot of antioxidants, which is really great because it's going to help you not have premature aging. It helps you with the fine lines. It just helps your skin staying really young, and it does help address future damage, which is really great. As well, it is really good for tightening and brightening. And it's weird because any product that I used in the past would either make my skin now too hydrated or too oily, or it wouldn't give me enough moisture. And somehow, even though I do have combination skin, the T-zone stays matte yet hydrated, and anywhere that does need that extra hydration, it provides it with that. So this is magic in a bottle. It's not genie in a bottle, but it's magic in a bottle. So I do want to mention 2 more products to you guys. I haven't tried the next product that I'm going to be talking about for long enough to be sitting here and giving my opinion, but let me tell you, so far so good. And I am going to give you guys an update on how my experience continues with these products, whether it's good or bad, but so far it's worth mentioning. So I got these from skoah. They are serums, 2 serums. I mean, you're not going to be able to see what it looks like. I'll put all the information down below. But one of them is a hyaluronic acid serum, and it is really good to target the first signs of dehydration. So hyaluronic acid is really good if you want to give that extra boost of hydration to your skin. And the next one is a copper peptide serum, which is good to heal and protect your skin. So I will give you guys more of an update on those, but I do feel like it has done what it mentioned on the bottle, so they're a keeper for now. Where is what I need? Oh, there we go. I've been looking for like half an hour for this stupid little bottle. Well, stupid, and I love it. But so let's talk about, oh my god, there is a fly in here. This one is by Kiehls. Yes, of course it's by Kiehls. They should sponsor me. What the hell? I'm speaking way too much about them, but I love them. This is the Pumping Retexturizing Serum Concentrate by Kiehls. Now, I got this in a sample size, but I had 2 bottles of these, so I have had enough experience to speak on them. So this product is really good to give your skin intense boost of hydration and moisture. It's going to make your skin look a lot more plump, and any of those fine lines that you start seeing on your face, they're going to start disappearing. And it is going to help your skin not look dull. So if you've had a long night out and you've partied your life away, I would say the next day, put some of this and you will see the difference. So next, I'm going to be introducing to you a product that is more of a cheat sheet. If you don't have time to do any of the things that we spoke about today, well, this is your best friend. It is by Benefit and is the Porefessional Skin Primer. This is translucent, like it doesn't have any color. It's not a foundation, but it is great if you have large pores that are sitting on your skin, if you have blackheads, or if you have a really oily T-zone and you want to mattify it. This is your best friend. Personally, I don't like wearing makeup when I go to the gym, but if you are planning on looking a little extra cute on Tuesday, then you can just put this on and it's going to make your skin look a lot more even. It's just going to give a really nice look. I don't know, I guess I could describe it as if you're going to look like you have foundation without actually having foundation on. So it's a really good cheap product if you're trying to look extra cute. Alright guys, and that is a wrap. Those are my top skin products that I swear by and I love using. It is very important to take care of your skin from within. So make sure that you do pay extra attention to your skin. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Until next time.